This new K-barbecue spot in Metro Manila is giving premium samgyeopsal experience, kaya tara, let's check it out. Hello, I'm Drive Sir Tita, and I'm here at Sogum by Soban, located sa second floor ng Opus Mall, Quezon City. Very classy ang interior nila at hindi amoy samgyupsalan, kaya for me, it's giving elevated Korean restaurant talaga. Anyway, marami nga pala silang meal set options, pero itong classic Mother's Day feast for 4 ang kinuha namin. May kasama na tong Korean boiled pork wrap or bosam in Korean, and you eat this by dipping a slice of pork in seujeot, tapos wrap nyo in lettuce together with garlic, radish, and kimchi. In fairness guys, ang sarap nito. For grilled meat naman, included na yung beef bulgogi with mushrooms na masarap yung marinade. At ito namang Passion Seafood Pancake. Sa K-drama ko lang ito nakikita at in fairness, masarap siya. It's like a crispy and savory scallion pancake na hindi nakakaumay. This duck ganjong fried chicken naman is also good. Crispy yung balat, juicy yung laman, at may sweet and mild spicy taste. Tapos this set nga pala also comes with a serving of japchae, sundubu jjigae or tofu stew na very savory and comforting, steamed egg, dalawang cheese dip, at refillable side dishes at rice. Tapos meron na rin tong 4 drinks na pwedeng unlimited iced tea, single serving ng honey lemon dalandan juice, or fruit shakes. For dessert, may kasama na rin na dalawang mango pop desserts na masasabi ko talagang masarap. Overall, I really enjoyed our dining experience dito sa Sogum by Soban. Kaya if you're looking for an elevated Korean barbecue experience, visit them na.